Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can disable your camera or webcam in the Microsoft Edge web browser, for example, to not allow websites you visit here on Edge or Edge as a browser in general to access and to use your webcam or camera on your PC or laptop. So let us dive into this. So here on Microsoft Edge, you will need to access your browser settings. To access your browser settings, simply click into the three dots in the top right and navigate to Settings here. Next, select the Privacy and Search tab here to the left, and inside that menu, select Site Permissions. Next, navigate to All Permissions, and from that menu, look for Camera. There it is here at the very top, and set a general as well as custom rule for specific or exceptional websites. So if you'd like to set up a general or default rule of behavior, simply make sure that you keep this enabled here, Ask Before Accessing, which will block any access to your camera webcam if it is turned off. Now, of course, you can turn off this feature to give Edge and websites the opportunity to ask you for permission to use your camera. So in this case, you would see a notification in the top left, like on Chrome or most other web browsers, asking you for permission to access and to use your web camera. If you don't want to have that or to use that feature, simply make sure that this option is enabled. That will block them, block websites from accessing your webcam. And that's basically it, guys. Also make sure that you select the camera here in the top right if you're using multiple or several cameras. That's it, guys. So let me return to the previous menu. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.